who draws.
Hi, my name is Kurt Aspland and this is my studio. Well, today I'm going to show you how to draw step by step a red cardinal. But what's interesting, as I was looking at cardinals, this one seemed like he had a red hoodie on. So this red cardinal is wearing a red hoodie. And I thought, why not make him ride a skateboard as well? I know, come on, you'll see what I mean. I'll see you in the studio.
All right, let's get started here. We're going to begin with a oval shape. It's kind of a squashed egg. And now I'm going to draw the eye line, and you want to make sure when you draw the eye line it's tilted. This way it will look like he is tilting his head away from us. And you have the center line of his head. And then below that we're going to do his body. So one side of his body we're using a straight line, and on the other side of his body we're using a curve. Now I'm putting down the center line of his lower body, and you can see that it's off to the right, and that causes it to give the perception that he's twisting his head. Let's get some parallel lines here to kind of indicate our skateboard. And I'm just drawing light. This is going to be a light underdrawing. You want to hold your pencil light, draw it with not a heavy hand. I've established some lines to give me ideas of where the wheels are going to go, and now I'm going to build long cylinders. And if you're not sure how to draw a cylinder in perspective, check out this video right above us here. Here's the link. Let's get some guides now where his tail will go. And I'm going to add a guide for his wing, where one wing's going to go, and it's a slight curve. And let's get the other one in, another slight curve. I'm just slowly working in his feathers here. I put a little guide there, and I'll keep all my feathers to the guide. Start off with long ones and then get to much shorter ones.
Whoa! Hey, if you're liking this video, go down there and give me a thumbs up. You got this.
All right, now we're going to do the other side, and very similar. Start with longer ones, get the shorter ones. I'm going to work on his beak. And if you need to, I would stop the video, get caught up, make sure you got this going here. We have a nice S curve for the smile that's coming off of it. You just pause the video if there's an area that you're not sure, and then just practice that. Okay, first eye is along the eye line. It's going to be a little bit bigger than the one on the other side of his head. This will give us a sense of dimension and depth. Now we're getting the opening to his hoodie, and you can see I'm using a variety of straight lines and curved lines on that. And then the top part, we want to give it just these wavy scallops. This will convey that these could be feathers on top of his head. Now these strings for the hoodie, I actually in the final I changed the position of them, so feel free to ignore that and put them where you see them, where I've put them in the final. All right, tail feathers, I'm going to start off with the center tail feather and then build off of that. And this pretty much is our total underdrawing. From here on out, I'm going to start to rework some of my lines, put them in much darker, and you can see on the left-hand side how I have colored him. Feel free to copy that or to make adjustments of your own. But I hope you have enjoyed drawing our skateboarding cardinal. All right, you have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.